everyone, welcome to Jody Cooking Channel. For today's video, we are going to make a steamed banana cake. Ingredients needed: bananas, 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of milk powdered, any kind, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of oil, vegetable oil, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 large eggs. First, we are going to smash the bananas. Set aside. Next, we are going to mix the wet ingredients. And add the sugar, the vanilla, and the salt. And mix well. And I forgot to show you the water, 1/2 cup water. And for the smashed banana. And shift the dry ingredients. Add the baking powder, baking soda, and the milk. And mix thoroughly. Mix well to become smooth. Okay. And prepare the pan with parchment paper. For the mixture, up to remove the bubbles. Then prepare the pan. And now here comes our steamed banana cake. Let it cool. And now we are going to unmold the steamed banana cake. Stick. Oh, very soft. Let's gonna taste. Oh, very soft. Looks so delicious. Double thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe in my channel